Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have heard you all say, the many, Astar, you do things that are too big. What about something small for those of us who live in small spaces? Well, I heard you and I'm here to share an arrangement that you could have to celebrate the spring. And because the spring comes with Easter with a few little additions like a little nest and some eggs, you can turn it into Easter, and then after Easter, take those out and you've still got a beautiful forever arrangement. This would be great for, say, grandma or granddad that lives in maybe a retirement village or a hospital and there isn't that much room, because this is perfect. So this is just a very insignificant little cheap cut glass vase. You can find them on Amazon. They don't cost very much, and what I love about it is the visual interest of the cut glass, which is going to be perfect for what we're going to do. Now I've got some beautiful forever gorgeous magnolias, and I've got two of those, and what I've done is I've just turned that stem up to push that into there, and then I got the other one and I turned that up. Now you could leave it as it is, and if you don't muck around with it, it will stay there. But if there's going to be a little movement, might I suggest that you take it out, get a cable tie or a zip lock. I think that's what you guys call them. Well, we call them cable ties here in New Zealand, but I think that you guys call them zip locks. Now just zip lock that together so that they stay together, and then push that back in. And it's at moments like this that I think that my great idea might not work, but it's working at this stage, so I'm very happy. Now I've also got a little bit of ivy, so I'm not going to cut that bit off, I'm just going to bend that. So a little bit of ivy can just go into there, and I'll bring the other piece to sit over there. So oops, now if that's going to move, don't worry about that at this stage, because we've got this leaf over there. Oh, look, excuse me. Just do the job properly. Bend it over means that it will stay in place. Ah, perfect. Little, you wanted little, I can do little. I have a couple of beautiful little snowballs, so I'm going to put that into there like so. Bend that bit up, don't need to cut it at this stage, so we'll just leave it on there. So a little bit there and a little bit there. I've also got a little piece of lilac, so I'm going to bring that into there, and instead of cutting these, what I like to do is I just pull them off, because you can easily insert that back into there. That can go over to there. I've got a few pieces of Forsythia. Just going to bring those down and into there, just that little wee touch of that. And the lovely thing about the colours in the spring is the colours are so clean and crisp and pure. So a little bit over to there, I'll bring a little bit over to there. I'd like a piece down into there, and I'd also like a little bit into there. Oh, look at that, isn't that just so cute? Now, I said that we could take little moment of spring to bring inside, either forever or you could use fresh. I've made this little nest, and that's just out of the sheet moss. I've just sort of like put it into a little ball, and then a little wet hollow in the middle. And then I've got these lovely eggs, and I just thought that we could put a few little eggs into there. And then with care, Astar, don't be too rough, just bring that down and into sitting on there. Isn't that just so cute? Happy Easter everyone, and I'll see you again another day.